Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by working non-destructively. Open the RAW or linear file and create an adjustment layer named Skin Base. Use the eyedropper or sample a neutral patch on the face and apply a small white balance correction to remove gross blue or green casts. Once done, reduce that correction to around 30–60% opacity so you retain texture. Make sure to toggle before slash after to confirm you moved toward neutral skin without crushing highlights or flattening contrast. Now refine color locally. Switch to HSL or selective color and nudge reds toward warmer tones and reduce green/magenta bias by tiny amounts. Small moves matter. Create a mask that isolates skin using color range or luminosity selections and subtract eyes, lips, and hair so you only affect the skin plane. Once the mask is clean, apply gentle saturation and hue shifts while preserving midtones. If texture is fragile, use low radius frequency separation first so color changes don't smear pores. Finish by balancing luminosity. Dodge and burn gently to restore perceived color depth without shifting hue. Think small percentages. Add a final selective vibrance or global curve to taste, then inspect at 100% and on a second display or soft proof to ensure consistency. If you still see gray or greenish skin, reduce saturation first, then apply a very low opacity warming or cooling layer to counter the cast. Troubleshooting tip. If shifts create banding, temporarily add 1% noise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.